Welcome to the Gig Desktop Portal Training Series. Each training module is designed to be a resource to help you understand and effectively use the portal. As you transition to a gig workforce, we want to make sure you do it the best way for your business. The one way is the gigged way. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out at info@gigdapp.com. That's info@gigdapp.com. This module is specifically for the Records tab. Hopefully you've been able to go through the previous trainings. Realize that the information in those tabs represents the current active information. The customers, projects, invoices, etc. may have closed. So the best way to access the information now is in the Records tab. The Records tab is your Gigs portal business storage. All of your transactions, communications, everything pertaining to your business on the portal is organized now by customer, bid, invoice, worker, and payments. We have used many of the construction planning and labor platforms in the past. The Records section is one of the most complete, efficient, and quickest search tools we have found. It is specifically designed for the construction industry, especially those working in a gig economy. Depending on how your business operates, you or one of your office managers with access can use the Records tab to follow up, contact, market, and file important business documents. By the end of this module, you should be familiar with the process of using the Records tab within the portal. Let's break that down. So here, as you sign in to your portal, you'll get a quick pulse on your business operations overall. On the left is the main menu. Near the bottom, you'll find the Records tab. We'll open that. The top header here gives you a pulse of your business records. Number of customers, projects, contracts, worker payments, all of your money in and out, tracking that, number of bids, number of invoices, number of workers. In a brief look, you can have a quick look at your business profitability, if you've had enough projects, if your projects and income are sustainable. The subheader here gives a link to drop down to more detailed information to customers, projects, bids, invoices, workers, and any payments. So here we'll pull up the Customers tab. The Customers Records tab, this lists all of your customers. They're in the submenu. By selecting a customer, you'll open up the contact information, any transactions you may have had with that customer to review, any communications, any information that you need to follow up on. Next is the Projects tab. Projects tab will pull up all the projects you have. With the submenu on the left, you can select the project to view. That'll pull up all the information. On that given project, as well as give you access to the contracts associated with that project, including the subheader, which is nice, of all the contract specifics. If you have reviewed the projects training, you're already familiar with the information here. But this gives the contract information with the overview, bids, invoices, any change orders, workers, documents, messages, all of that information. The next headline is bids. On the left submenu, all of the bids here are listed by worker or subcontractor. We can select the bid for review down below. Next on the headliner, we can review invoices. On the Invoices line on the left sub-menu, all the invoices are received, opened, paid, or updated. We'll be able to open and select. By selecting one of those from the sub-menu, you can review that. Next, we'll select the Workers tab. On the left sub-menu, all the workers will be displayed. By selecting one of those, you'll see all their contact information, any bids you may have awarded to them. You can write reviews and review their trade documents. Next, on the subheader, we'll review payments. On the left sub-menu, all the payments will be displayed. You can search by worker, project, contract, or invoice. And by selecting one, you'll be able to see all that information. That wraps up the training on the Records tab, the operations and the features. The next module we'll cover is the settings and the account page. Until then, as you transition to a gig workforce, please do it the right way for your business. The only way, the gigged way.